नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन आहे, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आहे केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. ओके, आतापर्यंत आपण केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज किंवा केमिकल रिएक्शन्स ऑफ अल्डिहाइड्स अँड कीटोन्स बघितले. आता पुढे बघायचं आहे केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. आता एक महत्त्वाचा पॉईंट लक्षात ठेवा, लॅबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड हा पॉईंट या वर्षीसाठी बोर्ड एक्झाममधून कमी करण्यात आला आहे. याची सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी नोंद घ्यायची. आणि त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट पॉईंट 9.3 फर्स्ट रिएक्शन आहे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ असाइड. तर बघा, वेन and carboxylic acids on heating with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2 to form the corresponding acyl halide. Okay, त्याच्यामध्ये कुठले रिएक्शन with PCl3, PCl5 and yes thionyl. Okay, now the first reaction will be general reaction R C double bond O. This is the general formula of carboxylic acid. React with PCl3. The reaction balance करना लक्षात. PCl3 for PCl3 so with the PCl3 there are 3 carboxylic acid molecules are required to balance the reactions. Okay, on heating, when the carboxylic acid on heating with the PCl3 to form corresponding acyl chloride. Now in this reaction the OH group in carboxylic acid is replaced by chlorine atom. Okay, acyl chloride. Okay, plus 3 hydrogen, 1 phosphorus, 3 oxygen. Okay, second reaction R C double bond O OH carboxylic acid react with on heating with PCl5. Okay, then phosphorus pentachloride containing 1 chlorine atom replace the hydroxy. Okay, plus POCl3 plus HCl. The name of this corresponding acyl. Now third reaction with thionyl chloride R C double bond O OH plus SOCl2 carboxylic acid on heating with thionyl chloride. SOCl with thionyl chloride containing 1 chlorine atom replace the OH group from carboxylic acid and to form the corresponding acyl chloride. Along with sulfur dioxide gas plus hydrofluoric acid gas. Now this reaction mostly prepared the preparation of the formation of acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid, because in this reaction the side product, that is sulfur dioxide gas and hydrochloric acid gas, are released in the form of gases and to obtain only pure acyl chloride product. Therefore, mostly this reaction prepared for the formation of acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid. Okay, हे बघा जनरल रिएक्शन जर आपल्याला कळाला तर या ठिकाणी एक्झाम्पल कोणते एक्झाम्पलचे रिएक्शन करू शकतो. या रिएक्शन ऑल रिएक्शन मध्ये काय रिएक्शन साइड म्हणजे OH रिप्लेस बाय C. OH रिप्लेस बाय Cl. रिएक्शन साइड नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं. पूर्ण संपूर्ण रिएक्शन काय असतं त्या ठिकाणी फॉर्म्युला आला पाहिजे. फॉर्म्युला यासाठी आपल्याला त्याचे नॉमेनक्लेचर आलं. नॉमेनक्लेचर आपण त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर काढू शकतो आणि स्ट्रक्चर काढल्यानंतर ते रिएक्शन साइड नेमकी कोणत्या पॉइंटला रिएक्शन तेवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं. काय चेंजेस रिएक्टर आणि प्रॉडक्ट मध्ये बेसिक चेंजेस काय आहेत. या ठिकाणी रिएक्टर मध्ये OH आहे तो पण रिप्लेस केलेला आहे. त्यासाठी कुठला रिएक्शन लागतो PCl3 PCl5 आणि PCl. नंतर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ असाइड त्याला अंडर त्याच्यामध्ये रिएक्शन विथ PCl3 PCl5 अँड SOCl. ओके आता हे स्पेसिफिक वन एक्झाम्पल जर घेतलं आपण कोणतं ऍसिटिक ऍसिड प्लस PCl3 काय होणार आहे ठिकाणी ऍसिटिक ऍसिड प्लस PCl3 एक्झाम्पल घेतलं ऍसिटिक ऍसिड एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म्युला एक्सपांडेड स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म्युला दिला काय अशा प्रकारे ऍसिटिक react with PCl3. Okay. For PCl3 acid, there are 3 molecules of given carboxylic acid are required. Molecule आपला याचा रेशो लिहिलं लक्षात ठेवा. PCl3 acid react करण्यासाठी on ethene, then 3 additives, CS3 additives, carbonyl group additive. Only OH replaced by Cl. The name plus S3PO. The name of this acyl chloride is acetyl chloride. Acetic acid पासून तयार झालेलं त्याचं नेम काय त्या acyl chloride चं नेम काय acetyl. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल घेऊया CS3C double bond OH acetic acid. React on heating with the PCl5. In PCl5 containing one bromine atom, substitute the OH from the given carbonic acid. React product मध्ये अल्किल ग्रुप आणि कार्बोनिल ग्रुप मध्ये कुठलाही बदल होत नाही. ओनली काय चेंज होतो OH group is replaced by Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. The name of this acyl chloride is acetyl chloride. Okay. Propionic acid घेतलं तर propionic chloride. Butyric acid घेतलं butyric chloride. Okay. SOCl2 सोबत रिएक्शन केली काय होणार CS3C double bond O OH acetic acid on heating with SOCl2. Then SOCl2 containing one chlorine atom, substitute the OH group from given carboxylic acid and then to use the corresponding acyl chloride, that is the acetic chloride plus sulfur dioxide gas plus hydrochloric acid gas, and therefore this reaction most will prepare for the formation of acyl chloride from the carboxylic acid. The name of this acyl chloride is acetyl chloride. Is it clear? Okay. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन आहे फॉर्मेशन 9.4 फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अमाइड. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 9.4. ओके बघा या रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होते हे and carboxylic acid. Then carboxylic acid react with ammonia. Carboxylic acid react with ammonia to form the ammonium salt. That is the ammonium acetate or C double bond O NH4 from the corresponding ammonium salt of carboxylic acid. Ammonium salt of carboxylic acid, which on strong heating at high temperature, it remove or eliminate the water molecule and to give the finally to the corresponding amide. H2 from NH4 and one oxygen from this, and to form the corresponding amide. Okay. अब second अपने specific example लेते हैं. For example, acetic acid C double bond O OH react with ammonia. This acetic acid is the acid and ammonia is the base. When acid base react, this is the reversible reaction. When acid base react each other to form the corresponding salt, to form the ammonium salt of carboxylic acid. या ठिकाणी कसं सॉल्ट तयार होणार? Acid donate the proton, base ammonia accept the proton, and they to form the corresponding salt. CS3 C double bond O NH4 positive. Sodium, not sodium, ammonium. Ammonium acetate, which on strong heating at high temperature, it undergoes removal of water molecule and to form the corresponding amide, that is the acetamide. Aceta double bond O NH2. Okay, acetamides. Okay, again one more example. या ठिकाणी अजून एक example बघितलं. Propionic acid react with ammonia. Propionic acid CS3 CH2 C double bond O OH. Propionic acid react with ammonia with the reversible layer to form the corresponding ammonium salt. How to form the salt? Alkyl group additives, carbonic group additives. Only is proton donated by the acid, ammonia accepted the proton from acid and to form the NH4 positive negative. The name of this salt is ammonium propionate, which on strong heating at high temperature, it undergoes removal of water molecule H2 from NH4 and this oxygen removed in the form of water molecule. This NH2 group directly attached to the carbonyl carbons to form the corresponding amide, that is the propionic acid propion amide. Okay, this amide can also be prepared by the reaction in between the acyl chloride and ammonia. बघा नेक्स्ट काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला, amide can also be prepared alternatively by the reaction in between the acyl chloride and ammonia. Acyl chloride and ammonia. तर या ठिकाणी बघा R C double bond O and C. This is the acyl chloride. General formula of acyl chloride. React with ammonia. Okay. Now this ammonia containing NH2 group replace the Cl and two for. Okay, काय करूनच 2 for the corresponding amide are C double bond O, and then Cl is replaced by NH2. Now this 1H and this chlorine atom to form HCl. The name of this product is this NH2 comes from ammonia. This hydrogen also comes from ammonia. The name of this corresponding product that is the amide. Example of material. Now the example acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride react with ammonia molecule. This ammonia containing NH2 group replace the Cl and to form the corresponding amide. That is the acetamide plus Sc. Plus, is it clear? Okay. Next reaction is formation of acid anhydride. Formation 9.5 formation of acid anhydride. 9.5 formation of acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Okay. तर लक्षात ठेवा this acid anhydride formation of acid anhydride. This is always remember that this is the bimolecular reaction. That means two carboxylic acid molecules are required for the formation of acid anhydride from carboxylic acid. आता हे जाऊन यामध्ये लक्षात ठेवा two carboxylic acid molecules. Just for our understanding, I write in this way. अशा प्रकारे strong heating in presence of the on heating in presence of a strong dehydrating agent like phosphorus pentoxide P2O5 or concentrated H2SO4. This dehydration of carboxylic acid is possible using the two dehydrating agents, that is the P2O5 or concentrated H2SO4. That means when carboxylic acid on heating using phosphorus dehydrating agent, that is the phosphorus pentoxide, they one molecule containing OH, another molecule containing H combine each other and to form the side product, that is the H2O, and the remaining part directly attach each other and to form the corresponding acid anhydride product or C double bond. Okay, then oxygen, then C double bond O, and the name of this product is acid anhydride. That means two acid molecule which is containing one molecule is removed, water molecule is removed. Therefore, this is called as acid anhydride. काय या दोन कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड मॉलिक्यूल मधला एक वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव्ह केलेला आहे, पण त्याला काय म्हणतात ऍसिड अनहायड्रेट विदाउट वॉटर कंटेन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ऍसिड अनहायड्रेट. ओके, and now this is the reversible reaction. Why? Because this acid anhydride readily or easily accumulate the water molecule and goes in the backward direction. That means to form the reversible reactions. Okay. Next या ठिकाणी ओके example with our specific example acetic acid. Always remember that for the formation of acid anhydride from carboxylic acid there are two molecules of carboxylic acid are required. आता या ठिकाणी just for our understanding I have write in this way. मी अशा पद्धतीने लिहितो का कारण ते समजण्यासाठी सोपं जावं यासाठी हा म्हणतो असं लिहिला आणि त्याची मेजरमेंट पुढे नेली म्हणजे काय होतं आपल्याला डिहायड्रेशन इझिली डिहायड्रेशन करता येईल. OH comes from either molecule, H from another molecule, combine each other, introduce phosphorus pentoxide, okay, to form the side product that is H2. Remaining part only direct. आता आपल्याला एकच काम करायचं आहे की राहिलेले सुटे भाग आपल्याला एकमेकांना जॉईन करायचे. OC double bond OCH3. The name of this acid is acetic anion. Acetic anion. Next reaction आहे decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide from the given carboxylic acids. Okay. आता या रिएक्शन मध्ये बघा काय आहे. Decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. What is decarboxylation? D is removal of carbon dioxide from the given carboxylic acid. This is called as decarboxylation. Now, general example: sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium. We know that how to obtain sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid react with sodium hydroxide to form the to obtain the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. On heating with soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of NaOH and calcium hydroxide. It is called as the soda lime. Okay. Then to form the hydrocarbons, to form the corresponding hydrocarbon which is containing one carbon atom less than the initial sodium salt of carboxylic acid. That is R and H from this directly attached to the alkyl group to form RH. Alkane. Alkane is the hydrocarbon. Then 2 sodium Na2. Na2CO3 2 oxygen 3 oxygen 1 carbon Na2. So in this reaction we remove the carbon dioxide from the given sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid readily obtained from the reaction in between carboxylic acid and sodium hydroxide. Okay. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay. When sodium salt of carboxylic acid on heating with sodium soda lime. Soda lime that means it is the mixture of NaOH and CO, calcium oxide. This is called as soda lime, commonly called as soda lime. Used to the hydrocarbon which is containing one carbon atom than the initial sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Second example, for example, CS3 C double bond O Na sodium acetate. Sodium acetate on heating with soda lime. Then one hydrogen atom directly attached to the methyl group and 2 form CH4 plus Na2CO3. The name of this hydrocarbon product is the methane. Okay. Now this methane hydrocarbon which is contain one carbon atom rather than the initial sodium acetate reactant. Okay. Now here there are 2 carbon atoms here. That means such hydrocarbon are produced which is containing one carbon atom rather than the initial sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay. Then we say again example. Again one more example. CS3 CH2 C double bond O Na positive negative sodium propionate on heating with the soda lime. Soda lime is the mixture of NaOH and COA. It undergoes removal of carbon dioxide molecules. Then this hydrogen directly attached to the alkyl group to form the corresponding hydrocarbon, that is the ethane. And ethane, which is contain one carbon atom less than the initial sodium salt of carbonic acid. Now here there are 3 carbon atoms. Here 2 carbon atoms. That means the product hydrocarbon, which is contain 1 carbon atom less than the initial sodium salt of carbonic acid, plus 2 sodium Na2, 1 carbon trioxide Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Again one more example. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, N, O, Na, positive, negative, on heating with